In this video, we're going to be talking about BNY Mellon app not working and how you can simply go ahead and troubleshoot it. So if your BNY Mellon app is not working, there are a couple of common troubleshooting steps that you can go ahead and follow. So first things first, verify if there are any known system interruption or scheduled maintenance on the down detector. And once you've done that, you can also go ahead and verify your internet connection by switching between your internet and mobile data. You can also turn on and turn off the airplane mode in order to go ahead and reset your network really quickly. And you can also simply go ahead and try restarting your device because it does resolve minor software glitches. Also, go ahead and head into your app store and then search for your BNY application, and then simply try to see if there is any update. It will say update on the place where it says open on my screen. Simply go ahead and update that as well, and that is about it. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If it did, hit that like button, and I'll see you on the next one.